So what we're doing right now is we're signing into wikiSpaces. Josh has some trouble signing in a couple times, but we're going to go through the process of joining a wikiSpace account to the KLA 2012 Tech Seminar account and then adding your project. Um, Casey just let me know that all of you who have joined and are now organizers have had some trouble because you've been getting lots of emails talking about other people wanting to join. So apologies for that. I obviously did not look into all of the things that wikiSpaces offers. So I think on trial 3, Josh gets in,
Sorry, Varghese.
and we're in. So now this is Josh's dashboard, and right on the top right, we're going to go KLA 2012 Wiki Tech Seminar. And we search for that, give it a second. Da, da, da. And what do we got? What do we got? Here we go. Little search, and I chose the second one. Choosing the first one is just as good. It's all the same. And apparently it took me a while. And then what you want to do is look at the top left of your browser, and it says, "You are not a member. Join now." And Josh was very inappropriate in this comment. But so this is how you request membership. I should have turned this feature on Wednesday, but we didn't. And now we can do it. We also have those emails. You can join that way as well. So now you're members. Actually, right now, what you're doing is waiting for me to approve a membership or one of your classmates to approve a membership. And then you wait some more. I might cut this part out of the video, or I might not, because that takes a lot longer. How long do we wait? Still waiting. What I'm doing right now off-site on the other screen is actually accepting Josh's invite. Oh, here we go. Check stuff and go back to Wiki Home. You still can't tell that you are a member yet, but what you can see is projects on the top right. And I realized that I didn't do something, which is I haven't made Josh an organizer. And so again, you got to wait for a minute while I make Josh an organizer, or I make you an organizer, and then I will refresh the screen again. And what you'll be able to do is create a project. These are where you're going to put your wiki prompt assignment completions. And this is how we'll follow your wikiSpaces sort of the process of creating the video project. So now you create a new project, name the project. Initially I didn't know what they were going to work on, but I believe they are working on
Digital portfolios.
John Liu. I don't know if you know that you're working on digital portfolios, but that's what we're starting you off on. The first team, and this doesn't matter because it renames it alphabetically, is joint prompt responses. So that way, this is where you're both working and talking about what you're choosing. And then occasionally, I think you guys could write your own feelings about what's going on. And to do so, just create 2 more teams. Again, those won't be as important. Protected to the wiki, I would suggest clicking on. That would keep it private just to our members. So now we have a digital portfolio project with 3 team members. And what we're going to do now is edit and put in Josh's writings from the first day. So just cut, delete, and then open up his Google Docs page, which he has quite a few things in, but he knows where his tech stuff is. Cobb Tech Journal, and all we're doing is cutting and pasting, copying and pasting, so I don't ruin his stuff. Maybe I cut and paste, and I might have ruined all of his stuff. But, and I tried this a couple of times. Apparently, you have to use Apple C in Google Drive. This is a thing that I just remembered recently. You need to use their copy and cut features because for some reason it does not work in Google Drive or Google Docs. So you have to use the keyboard shortcut. So that's a funny little hint. While we're doing all of this, copy, paste, go back, so many windows open, and paste. Success! You have now completed all of the assignments you need to do before the next day of class. Obviously, I'll understand if you have some issues with this, but this video hopefully has helped you with setting up your Google Docs, or your wikiSpaces project and your prompt folder. Now you're going to see me mess up a couple times trying to stop a screen recording. Screen recordings are awesome, by the way. If you haven't noticed, this can help you walk through many of the tedious things that people often forget. I will begin using screen recordings a lot more in the coming weeks for my